This course is different. There's two ways that this course may be different from other courses you've taken in the past. First, it is online. Second, it uses a flipped learning approach. Let's look at what both of those mean. Let's start by looking at the difference between classroom learning and online learning. In classroom learning, shown on the left, you may or may not use technology. In this picture, there is no technology, just students, a teacher, and a blackboard. Now look at the right side of your screen. In an online course, technology is used for most activities. We see pictures here of students in a lab using computers. And down at the bottom, we see a picture of a student using their phone. An online course like this one has important technology requirements. First of all, you must have a computer, tablet, or cell phone. You must have editing software such as Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Write, or Wix Office. You need an email address. And then you either need internet access via Wi-Fi, such as the LICC Wi-Fi or Ganta Wi-Fi, or you need data, such as you get with a scratch card, Orange Data, or so forth. All materials for this course will be on a website, and you will read them there. There are no handouts. There are no hard copy books. All assignments that are written must be submitted in soft copy. Hard copy assignments will not be accepted. In classroom-based learning, the instructor and the students are all in the same room. In the picture on the left, the students are listening to an instructor lecture. In online learning, the instructor and students may or may not be in different locations. In this picture, we see a student watching a video. In classroom-based learning, shown on the left, the instructor and the students are present in the room at the same time. In online learning, they may not be present at the same time. In this case, an instructor recorded a video at 1:20 p.m. and the student watches it at 7:55 p.m. In classroom-based learning, most of the materials are either hard copy textbooks or hard copy handouts. As we mentioned earlier, in online learning, all the materials are soft copy. You read the soft copy materials on your phone or a computer. In classroom-based learning, all of the participants are in the room at the same time. We see a discussion going on live on the left side. In online learning, the participants may not be in the classroom at the same time. In this case, they're all talking out of their homes and they're talking at different times of day. In classroom-based learning, most of the assessments are quizzes and papers. In online learning, they can be all kinds of different things that you haven't done before, such as portfolios, wikis, journals, and so forth. In a classroom-based learning, a student writes their paper in hard copy and gives it to their instructor. In online learning, a student writes their paper in soft copy and submits it online to their instructor, much like sending an attachment on an email. Now let's look at the difference between flipped learning and traditional learning. Here we see what's going on in a traditional class. On the left, we see that students come to class and they listen to a lecture. They may also have a discussion in class. Then they go home. After class, they read the assignments and they write the papers. In flipped learning, it's different. You have to do all the reading before class. Then you come to class and we have a discussion in class. And you may ask questions and get help in class. You'll notice there's no lecture. Sometimes in traditional classes, students choose not to do the reading and only take notes in class. That will not work in flipped learning because we don't have lectures. If you come to class and you haven't done the reading, you won't know what we're talking about in the discussion, and you won't be able to ask questions when you don't understand. Then after class, you work on the paper for that week.